Old Man Vapor here. Catch me on Facebook. Right, okay, now we all know what these are, don't we? Right, well, you probably don't. It looks like some instrument of torture, doesn't it? Well, it's not. Okay, they take these little buggers. Right, and it won't go. Oh, there we go. It snapped into focus. Oh, wonderful. Okay, now, you know those old-fashioned chock blocks? Well, you get them on circuit boards and all other places. Now, in a lot of, industries, you can't just chuck the bare strands like this, right, if it will focus on the thing, into... It won't focus. Oh, well. You can't chuck them into the chock block, right, because they don't really make very good contact, because you've got a flat bit on the bottom of the screw, and you've got quite often a rounded bit. Sometimes there's a flap that comes down, but it's, it's frowned upon a bit. And also, you solder these, and that is extremely frowned upon, about putting a soldered one into a chock block, because they snap off. Right, so you get one of these little jobbies, right? Here we go. It'll come into focus if I promise it to be nice. Oh, little bastard. Right, okay. Come on, focus, you little nasty thing. Come on, focus. Hey, there we go. Okay, so what we do is we put this wire... Oh, wrong size hole. Right, this is a grey one for a small one like this. Okay, so we put it in there, and we push it all the way in, right, and we go, oh, now that actually looks like a nice professional job. And we get these things, right, which look quite evil, and we put it in the middle, and then we grab both hands and we go like that, let go, and we've got this really nice crimp, which doesn't come off. I love it. It's really cool. You should all get one. And they come in, really big sizes, right? And I got this kit on Amazon for £18 for, a box with so many bits in. It was unbelievable. And the tool. It's a no-brainer. Go for it.